rigid router, brushless router.
Okay. Now, how do you adjust the depth?
I'm gonna be routing these hinges into this door.
So you mark the door first?
So you mark the door first.
With the
Take the
hinge?
thickness of this.
What's the thickness?
Well, it's it'll show you right here. It's about 1/32 of an inch.
Oh, okay. And then the bit, that's how far it comes out? How do you adjust that? Oh, there's a knob right there, huh? On the rigid?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
So I'm just
So if you look at it,
turning it.
you can push it in. There you go. Because you don't want to cut more of that door,
I don't
right?
want it too far.
And it's nice because it doesn't have a cord and it drags. There we go. It's got a nice glass top.
I don't want this to affect my depth.
You need a knife?
Well, that's good.
You want to remove any plastics that's in there?
Sometimes it gets fidgety and you need to adjust the depth.
Oh, it moves?
Yeah.
The actual
It's an old router, so.
cutter. There you go, guys, nice and clean. Alright, there it is. See that? Professional fit. Look at that. Nice and tight. Perfect. Good job.